Thank you. And immediately, I'll take you all to the DAP. Okay, take a water break. Go grab a glass of water.
Chat is open.
Yeah. So this is how we design. This is basically designing tool. This is how web designs and app designs are made. It's Figma. So I did not get time to put this in the slides. So I put Figma. I have whole dashboard ready today, and we will get a clear understanding about the dashboard. Jennifer, 68% of the miner cost goes to the proof of reserve, that is Bitcoin proof of reserve. Okay, perfect. So we have learned, we all understand the dashboard view. I believe it has been 2 or 3 times that I went over. So you see, I'll repeat it. You see total supply of BTCC and total market cap according to the price. If the price is $100, then it is 2.1 billion, and circulating supply, that is supply which is there in the which has been mined and which is there in circulation, which can be transacted, and the volume which is trading volume 24 hours, circulating market cap, which is the total uh, BTCCs in circulation in the market, and which is a percentage. These many BTCCs have been mined, and these many BTCCs are in circulation. Next halving countdown shows when are we going to halve the Bitcoin code. So every halving will reduce the rewards with 50%. So as we commence into halving, we will we will be right now we will mine 50 BTCC every 10 minutes, but after the halving, we will mine 25 BTCC every 10 minutes. Here you can see the price of BTCC against wrapped Bitcoin. This is against wrapped Bitcoin. Here you can see swap, which is internal in the DApp, and you will be able to swap your BTCC into wrapped BTCC with a bridge. B fuel, B fuel is the electricity, is the hash fee. It's not gas fee, it's hash fee that you will take or you will use to harvest your mined BTCC. You have a miner, you have an FT miner, you have connected, pledged your miner to the node. Once you have pledged, it continues to mine and it will continue to mine every 10 minutes. But the mined BTCC needs to be harvested. For harvesting, you need the hash fee. This is hash fee to harvest your mined BTCC. I'll explain this. We have a detailed view of the dashboard today. So your BTCC reward every 10 minutes. It is 50 BTCC every 10 minutes. Your number of miners that you have attached in your DApp, 100. Your B fuel consumption, your total B fuel consumption, it will say give, which is happening right now. It is total mined BTCCs, 50. Your mining hash fee, that is the B fuel that you have spent or burned to mine your B fuel consumption net worth. How many B fuels you have burned, since B fuel is a native token on our blockchain, which is at the fixed price and which will be at the fixed price forever. That is 0.0125 every B fuel. This is fixed. This is on a smart contract. You all can see, and this whole lot of stuff. Everything is on blockchain. The app which you are seeing is on the blockchain, so it cannot be downloaded through the app stores. It's really not uh, that regular application that you use. It's on blockchain, and you can explore so many NFTs that are built. You can go on OpenSea and compare the designs. Today, what I'm going to show is going to blow everyone's mind. And once we will have the DApp ready, trust me, it's so sexy. You will love it. Okay. So it's your BTCC network. That is this is the value of the BTCC you have mined. Total mining hash fee that you spent throughout your mining journey. And mining nodes, one, because initially there is just one node. I know everyone wants to become a node, but it's not possible right now. I'll show you the node today. Okay. BTCC total cap. This is the market cap. See every information in your dashboard. You don't even have to go to coin market cap and look again and again. And this is all dynamic. This changes in real time, and it gets updated. Because it's on blockchain. Everything is on chain. Okay. The second page, which is mine. This is the mining page. You see your miners in node, your miners in wallet. Your miners in node means these many miners are mining in real time. Your miners in wallet are your miners owned by you, but they are not mining. You have not connected your miner to the node. It's super easy. I told everyone, see, you just have to click and connect and click to disconnect. Okay. This is the total BTCC mine, and this is the total B fuel consumption. Let's say you have 10 miners, okay, mining for you, and you have 4 which are not mining for you. That says my NFT. So when you have 10 miners mining for you, and if you calculate the mining fee, let's say the there are 4 miners. Let's take an example of 100x, 10x, 1x. These are the 3 miners: Xeon, Xeon, Xeon. Okay. So what is the uh, consumption of Xeon GT1X? Xeon GT1X consumes 0.0, hang on, 0.00278. 0.00278 B fuels every second. And then you have 0.0278 B fuels every second. And then you have 0.78 B fuel every second. What is B fuel? B fuel is your hash fee that you will pay to harvest. So It is mining every second. So let's calculate the cost of mining with one small GT1X. Okay. How many seconds are there in a day? 86,400. You multiply with 0.00278. When you do that, and also you multiply, okay, let me use a calculator. I'm not that kind of genius. 86,400 multiplied by 0.00278 multiplied by. So B fuel price is and this is the B fuel price in dollars, which is fixed, which will always be fixed. And you multiply all the three, 0.00125. You will get $3, 3 point something. So that means this is your uh, hash fee or the amount which takes you to mine, right? Okay, moving back. All right. So you get your B fuel, total B fuel consumption in your mine page in the dashboard, in the DAP. So let's say you have 20 miners. Total, altogether, all miners which are consuming B fuel, total consumption will be displayed here, right? This is your consumption every second. And the BTCC you mine is mentioned here. And you can harvest total number of BTCs that you mine from all the miners with just one click over here. Okay. But if you want to harvest individually, you can. You look at your miners. You have 1x, you have 10, 100x, you have 10x, you have another 1x. These NFTs will appear in your DApp because you all are the owners of these NFT miners. Okay. And then you can connect to the node with the connect button. You can disconnect to node with the disconnect button. And individually you can connect or disconnect. And then you can, take another view of token ID, BTCC mined, and hash rate. You will get to know all that. Okay, moving forward. You see, you can click on harvest or you can click on disconnect individually. All your miners. See, 1x, 100x, 10x, you have 1x, you have more NFTs. You know, this is how your DApp will look like. And it's automated. You see, this is your wallet address. This is your MetaMask wallet, and it's connected to your MetaMask. When it's connected to your MetaMask, it will automatically pick up everything. When it's showing your address, it's connected. When it's not showing your address in the DApp, you will get a button to connect. So the DApp has no credential but your wallet address. So nobody can steal nothing. There are no credentials. Your wallet address is your credential. There is no backend to go. There will be no Chavez to raise a ticket and get anything resolved because there will be no errors. Everything is on chain. Okay, here you see the node. The Cosmos node. See, this is how many BTCCs this node has. And the node will make gas free. And then whatever you mine, and then when you harvest, the node will approve all the transactions and it make gas free. Very simple. So this is a node. Uh, this will be offered very soon. I know you all want this. Yes, you will get this. So, but look at this. This will run in real time, right? In the DApp. It would be so cool. This will be emitting power. This is just, these are 3D images. This is the design. But when it will run in the DApp, you guys will be, I mean, the moment you will take it to your prospect and show them, look at this DApp, you know, look at my miners and wait for the B fuel. Okay. Let me show you. This is my team's 6-month works on design. Okay. This is your NFT market, premium market, where you can sell your NFTs. Look at these. You will be able to put a price in BTCC. So $50, we have considered BTCC price as an example, 0.25. When we see, then 200 is the BTCC, number of BTCC that 1x is sold for. And then 100x, 20,000 BTCC, 10x, 2000 BTCC. Right. So the flipping game will be strong. You know, people will buy some in the morning, sell some by the evening, and they will be able to, because see, this is a real product, right? And this will attract attention, not just from this network, but from all around the world. When people will hear there is a new Bitcoin, people are mining really on a DApp with NFTs. Okay. And the prices are going up every 10 minutes. You know, this is like, oh no. So the NFT marketplace is your place to make more money. Just buy some NFTs, sell here, buy or sell there. Because not everyone wants to join on your left side or right side. You really can't convince anyone. See, I'm 27 years old. I have come across a lot of affiliate marketers in my life, but I did not join anyone in any program so far in my life. I said, no, I don't want to do it. So look at this as an opportunity. You can tap the whole world. The people who do not want to engage themselves in affiliate marketing, sell them over here. Look at this. This is the price, token ID, list time. This is the your volume in trading. Okay. These are how many you sold. This is open market. This is new releases. See, this is all not, this is a, 6-month long hard work in just UI. So you all are seeing it in 1 hour, but it took a lot of time and efforts to build all this, put this together. This is whole lot of this is more than more of an NFT marketplace that we built inside the DApp. People use different marketplaces to sell their NFTs. You have your own marketplace ready. Okay. And this is not it. People will be able to see the details. So let's say these are the miners that you are selling, right? These are your miners, NFTs that you're selling. And you have set the price like this, 200, 2000, 20,000. And see, your wallet is showing. When you click on your profile, the wallet will show your mine BTCC, the value. As in the design, we considered 0.25, so it is 100, sorry, $125 worth of BTCC, and then NFT miner that you have is four, which are not mining, and the B fuel that you have is four. So this is how you will access to the detail. And then when the buyer clicks, when the buyer clicks on your NFT, th- this is this is an asset, right? This is non-fungible token. This is how the description will show. It will show your owner address, it will show the price, the consumption, the hash rate, and it will show the series of the mine, because there will be more series afterwards. I know you all want different variants in the subscription, so there will be different series, there will be different subscriptions. So this is how new series will be created, and then hash rate will be different, the consumption of hash fee will be different. So all the details are mentioned like this in the marketplace whenever you click. Okay, and here you go, the B fuel. So
Ooh.
dab, in the dab, it will rotate, right? Like an engine. It's electricity. It's, I believe, first ever, replication of eco-friendly electricity that we built on blockchain. This is power. This is the energy. So here you will be able to buy B fuel. In the page, if you remember, okay, let me bring that. Here you, on the dashboard, you remember B fuel. When you click on buy now, you land on that page. On this one. This is the B fuel. And the B fuel's price will be the same, 0.0125 in dollars. It will always be the same, right? And this will build our liquidity of wrapped Bitcoin. And last is the bridge that you see how you can harvest your BTCC and take your BTCC and bridge. So once you harvest, you will get wrapped BTC on our chain, BTC 20 chain. But you need to move your money out. So you will have to bring your Ethereum wrapped Bitcoin address from any exchange, any wallet. Just copy it here and bridge, and it will be sent. And you can bring, because initially you have to buy the B fuel. So when you bring the wrapped BTC from Ethereum, you'll just type the address, the destination address, and send from there into your WBTC. It will be received. Very simple. Just, it's a bridge. It's 1:1. So this is all created. This is all done. There will be nothing like, oh no, you can't cash out on the day one because we are still working on that. No, everything is done already perfectly. Okay. So coming back, now it makes more sense, right? Now the dashboard makes more sense to you, because you now understand where you go, where and what you do. It's, believe me, it's very simple. Once you buy the NFT, you pledge your NFT to the miner, you connect your miner to node, it will start mining. It won't ask anything. It will start mining. It will mine every 10 minutes. The rewards will be given. And then you harvest. Once you harvest, you swap your wrapped BTC and you cash out. And every transaction you pay gas fee. Gas fee is for the transaction on BTC20 blockchain, but the hash fee is your electricity that you spend to run your miner to harvest. I believe I have explained with the view that this is how I built it, but we have Mr. Satoshi with us. He will explain with the miner's perspective, and because he has been, in this whole journey uh, with the original Bitcoin back then. So the picture, the contrast of the picture can be drawn, and let's see how does it look. Are you in with us? Is not connected to an audio.
I don't see him.
Make co-host.
There he is.
Mr. Satoshi, are you in?
Yes, thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time. Oh, look, the DApp, the design is almost, what Strawberry is trying to convey here is that, small things show your intention to build something very big, right? Spending this much time and this much of, these many of hours just for this design, this is better than you go to OpenSea, you go to Decentraland, you go to Sandbox, you compare their dApp, their Web3 application dApp to their Metaverse dApp to this dApp, and you will find it's even better, high quality dApp. So I mean, look, it's very simple. Like I said before, this part of the word is humanless, right? It works on smart contracts and blockchain, uh, and it has no expiration date. So, there will be a better tutorial. I believe he will do it already. Once you will have a UI interface in your hand, you just play around for some time, and you get to know everything very easily, which is very simple, right? So, I was telling him, that you should run at least 2 days or 3 days of testnet, on a testnet smart contract, making people connect their node to testnet, in order to connect, disconnect marketplace, be fuel, how these whole things works, how these things goes. It will also help you doing your testing of your main smart contract like Bitcoin code. So 48, 72 hours of live testnet, testnet testing with the live community will definitely gonna come up with the, if not so many bugs, but definitely gonna come up with the few small things which can be moderated or fixed before going live. Because once you go live, there is 0% chance of correcting anything. You cannot go back and change some details in a smart contract which is already on chain right now. As long as you're off chain, you have your controls. The moment you're on chain, you lost all the controls yourself. So 2-3 days of testnet will be a very good idea for not only on the trading side, but also testing the functionality of each and every smart contract being consolidated inside one dApp. You have NFT smart contracts, right? You have three kind of NFTs right now. So you have 3 NFT smart contracts consolidated with their properties. Then you have a node smart contract when you are pledging your NFT to the node. A node job is to reward 50 BTCCs to all NFT miners. So that is another one more, a smart contract working on, its right functionality, making sure that the distribution of mining rewards are correct and beat fuel consumption also correct. And this is a lot of complex coding, right? But anyways, when you can see the numbers in terms of displayed in front of you, it makes your job easier to catch the bug or the error, right? Then you have node smart contracts. So going with one node, then there can be more nodes. It's by default one of the property of any blockchain. Then there will be more nodes. Then it means that there will be more smart contracts added later on. Then you have NFT marketplace, which means you have, for example, you have escrow smart contract. So when somebody is selling the NFT is being pledged to escrow smart contract, and the buyer who is buying it connected with the same escrow smart contract, making sure that nobody is cheating you. If somebody is getting your hand on your NFT, supposed to pay you, that is a job of automated escrow in between. Then you have a B-Fuel smart contract. Then you have a swapping smart contract. Then you have bridges smart contracts. So over 10 plus smart contracts are consolidated with different functionality in one user interface. So 2-3 days of testnet, where people can use their miners, which are with the community, to